I purchased one of these hot cheese dispenser machines here in Houston. Man, this was a good purchase here. I use it on my food truck. As you see, I'm giving you the different views of it. But it's really simple. Only thing you have to do is just take the top off, first clean it and everything. And you want to pour about 2 cups of water. Warm water if you would like. Cold water is okay. And then you put the plastic spacer. It could be either plastic or stainless. And then you just take the cheese and set it on top. You don't even have to take the paper or anything off. And you turn your warmer to the max and let it warm for about 30 minutes. Then turn it back down to medium and it's ready to start pumping cheese. And you could purchase one of these in my description below. If you would like to purchase it off Amazon, just look in the description below. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel and have a great day. Thank you.